Hello trader friends and welcome back to Altrady. Today's analysis is on Ripple and its incredible resilience compared to all other altcoins. Is this the calm before the storm? Let's analyze the charts and news together. Ripple is currently struggling with a critical resistance level, the 50-day moving average, a key level closely monitored by institutional investors. However, unlike many others, altcoin Ripple has not experienced sharp declines in recent months. The price has remained stable, consolidating within a key range. The strong support at 2.05, the strong resistance at 3.3. This demonstrates Ripple's resilience, but also a fragile balance that could soon break. Since mid-March, Ripple has been in an uptrend within a descending parallel channel, which started after the last swing high on January 16. Now, however, it is facing its first key resistance, represented by the mentioned 50-day moving average. The market is currently in a consolidation phase, with a price trapped in a narrow range, balance between buyers and sellers, low trading volumes, reduced volatility, little interest from both retail and institutional investors. This suggests that a breakout is imminent. If Ripple breaks upward, we can expect a rapid squeeze up to the key resistance at $3. If rejected, we could see the price testing the lower support of the channel. Now let's move to the 4-hour chart. In the short term, 4-hour chart, Ripple is making an upward retracement, but the loss of momentum is leading to sideways consolidation. First strong resistance between 2.6 and 2.8, filled with sell price open interest. This means that breaking above these levels won't be easy and will require a significant increased volume. For now, the market lacks clear direction, confirming that we are in a temporary balance between bulls and bears. The last breaking news about Ripple is that the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC is reaching its epic conclusion. After years of uncertainty, the end of this historic case could redefine Ripple's future entirely. With the legal battle nearing its conclusion, Ripple is now positioned to offer its coin Ripple to institutional investors, a move that could transform its role in the global finance. This shift might ignite a surge in market liquidity, boost Ripple's adoption, and even pave the way for a ETF approval. So, a very important breaking news for Ripple. Conclusion: in summary, Ripple remains trapped in a prolonged trading range as long as volatility and volume remain low. However, the new institutional cycle is about to begin, and the market could soon take a direction due to macro news. Are you ready for Ripple's next move? If you want to stay ahead of the game, use Altrady's advanced tool to analyze the market and charts like a pro. Try it for free now, link in the description. Thanks everyone, and see you next time, traders.